Dynasties down, discoveries up, and discards dawn. Welcome to Today in History, where time twists into unexpected tales. August 2 is a vault of drama, innovation, and dance floor revolutions. From palace coups and pop musical milestones to space missions and scandalous scandals, this date proves truth beats fiction. Tap, subscribe, ring that bell, and buckle tight. Today's journey through time includes treasures you won't believe ever happened. Number 20, August 2, 216 BCE, Rome suffers its worst defeat at the Battle of Cannae, as Hannibal's Carthaginian forces encircle and slaughter tens of thousands, igniting panic throughout the Republic. Number 19, August 2, 1776. Admiral Lord Richard Howe dispatches final demands to the Continental Congress to surrender. The message arrives too late. America declares independence 2 days prior, sealing their intent. Number 18, August 2, 1777. Near Hubbardton, Vermont, American colonists ambush and defeat British forces in the Battle of Hubbardton, the only Revolutionary War battle fought entirely in Vermont.
Number 17, August 2, 1870. Tower subway station in London opens the first deep-level electric railway. It becomes part of today's Circle Line, revolutionizing underground travel and inspiring future metro systems worldwide.
Number 16, August 2, 1909. Louis Blériot is awarded France's top aviation medal after overseeing the first organized airmail flight by airship across the Mediterranean Sea, paving way for airborne mail services. Number 15, August 2, 1923, Gustav Stresemann becomes Chancellor of Germany and Foreign Minister, launching the Locarno era that brings relative stability to Weimar Germany and Europe after World War I. Number 14, August 2, 1934, in Germany, President Paul von Hindenburg dies. Hitler uses the moment to combine president and chancellor roles, declaring himself Führer, solidifying totalitarian rule under the Nazi regime. Number 13, August 2, 1943. The disco rave hadn't been invented yet, but big band audiences experience a different kind of party. Benny Goodman's Improvisation Caravan plays a free concert in NYC, launching swing music's festival culture.
Number 12, August 2, 1943. A train in Burma carrying Allied prisoners is bombed by American aircraft by mistake, killing hundreds. A tragic Hellfire Pass incident becomes one of World War II's greatest friendly fire disasters.
Number 11, August 2, 1956. The RIA is founded in the U.S., representing recording industries and later cracking down on music piracy. A day before the LP turns 10, they start the long war on leaks. Number 10, August 2, 1964, Rolling Stones release Time Is On My Side. The track turns into their signature 1960s hit and cements the band's rhythm and blues crossing pop dominance. Number 9, August 2, 1964, a U.S. destroyer reports being attacked in the Gulf of Tonkin. Congress authorizes the Gulf of Tonkin Resolution, escalating U.S. involvement in the Vietnam War. Number 8, August 2, 1973, Pan Am Flight 806 overruns the runway in Pago Pago, American Samoa. Only 4 survive out of 101 passengers and crew in one of aviation history's forgotten tragedies. Number 7, August 2, 1980, Voyager 1 transmits the first color photo of Jupiter's Great Red Spot from outer space, a deep space selfie that mesmerizes billions and rewrites planetary exploration. Number 6, August 2, 1989, Japanese Emperor Hirohito dies after his 62-year reign. His passing marks the end of the Showa era and ushers in the Heisei era of modernization. Number 5, August 2, 1990, Iraq invades Kuwait, triggering global condemnation and igniting the Gulf War. The permanent iron shield of modern Middle Eastern geopolitics forms on this day. Number 4, August 2, 1991, Boris Yeltsin appoints himself president of the Russian Soviet Federative Socialist Republic. The move signals the collapse of Soviet authority and the rise of modern Russia. Number 3, August 2, 2001, Apple debuts iTunes at Macworld Expo, a software revolution that would change music distribution, battle piracy, and pave the path to digital streaming. Number 2, August 2, 2005, London's Woolwich pub is first to have CCTV live streamed on the internet as part of Operation Bodhi, a crime prevention experiment at the dawn of surveillance culture. Number 1, October 12, 2010. Miners are trapped in Chile's San Jose mine collapse for 69 days before being rescued. Their survival inspires worldwide attention and becoming one of engineering's greatest rescue stories. That was August 12th, where legends fell, soundtracks soared, and entire nations shifted. But tomorrow, August 3, don't miss royal scandals, asteroid discoveries, and protest movements that echo today. Click subscribe, hit the bell, and join us as we dive into fresh, unbelievable stories. History's next page is turning fast, and you're on the guest list.